Siyabonga kakhulu ukuthi nifikile nagiva pha ukubambana kumakhaza nesihlobo sakho. Cala ngishaya izandla kuqala. Shayani izandla ngimbizi ningayishayi.
Shaye wena.
Please welcome your host, Sfiso Nene.
So we are all backstage. We are all so exhausted. We've been up all day. I didn't have even the courage to change. I've got a suitcase full of clothes, but I'm not going to change. I'm too exhausted.
I don't know, but when you get to that level of comedy, it doesn't matter what you wear.
No.
It doesn't. You kill either way.
Yeah, murderers don't worry about what they're doing.
Yes.
It's been a long day. Fly. Say hello.
Hello, good people of the Lord. Speaking English is my thing. So you can ask me anything in English.
What's up, man? Hey, yo.
Okay, we also
We are chilling. About to go
chilling.
on and do our
Chacho
thing.
is in the house.
Yay.
Latecomers are here. Latecomers are here. Hey guys,
Headline Mama headlines.
latecomers.
Why are you late coming?
People who are eating corporate money.
Isn't just a game.
Corporate money.
Guys, I'm getting nurses to me.
Nice. Let us gossip about our friends. But good things, only good things. They are good friends. They are not like you.
You tell me,
I'm against that over the show.
Ukubandlulula phela lokho.
Just feel like it's very requested.
Akubanga. Siyasukela.
It's women's man. Kahle faka masiko.
i-right yami as umuntu
It's big violating.
Yabo, comment is not a joke. Buka nujulukene phuma stage.
Yeah, this is where how many minutes?
20.
20.
Usibese ngathi 1 minute show yakho.
Kanti ngibamba 20. Yazi ngenzelani? Bebethenga ngidrink ngoba asina show ukuthi
Yeah. Awufuna ukusho ngegama.
cha asina show ukuthi kodwa nisifikile.
Litsothi le.
Wait.
Hoyibo. Mina ngaze ukuthi I don't know. But mina makuthiwa ngisho. You know me. I'm there. That's money. Yeah.
Ndoto ungayethemba.
Then that's overseas. I'm coming.
So mhlawumbe ungayethemba.
I want to.
I must say I think
How's the audience?
yabona manje wa right because bana abasekho hayi behleli ba right
babonile
yabona ukuthi ngiphelele imali ngiyakubona nje ukhuluma nabo wa right ikwena nje ibe wena kuphela uyathi sisebenza habe mlandele le moment Ngakho bastard yababhoma khona. Awubona wemma. Namzodla lo noto. Ingane yabazokuphuma stage. Akudidisela lapha eTVN. Uthi ayayayi. Uthi bazoqala ngini. Uthi qala ngani?
Udide kuzongena stage usabe ngiyithanda iFM.
Utoka yakho. Uthi manje.
What is it?
Uthi uzama ukuba unique nawe uthi ufuna ukujela okusha.
Ufuna ukungena ngephunga. Hayi senyuse ngenze kahle nje. Ukuyimina mhlawumbe mina usongibhela okay sefanele
Uthi ucabanga amajoke akhaziswayo kumane kuya weDurban July. Uthi ngoba uDurban July nje comedy is not a joke. Nangomunye buye ephelele umoya ejuluka.
Mina umzimba bele ngijima.
Kodwa
Kodwa
uyishayile.
still ekushasha ya.
Uyishayile.
I don't have a choice.
Awufuna ukufaka iwig kumane ungenele. Masakubizwa mina.
Oh yeah, I can do that because vele ngaba beautiful like you. Sinayinzwebo.
Futhi abakwazi ukusihlukanisa vele.
And besides angithi mina vele ngokamzizi kwamashu and you know
Yebo.
nje umashu nathi.
Eyi.
Besides ukuthi yazi komunye umshado lapho kwalahle ukhewe imoto. Lase ngathi mina besije silahle ukhewe kungenzeka ukuthi nemoto nayo ayisekho. Kuba sipamashu.
Kanti usemshadweni nokunamasela kwamashu.
Azongasijwayeli ka.
Asintshontshe iphone.
Imagine.
Unonto, uyajima, is about to go on stage. Hayi usuyafenda.
No, ikhona. Iyasiza.
Amajoke aflow. I need a new job. Ngithathela ukusebenza ney'ngane. I deserve better.
Ngabe sekuqabula manje ushadile washeshe washada.
It's almost time and I'm scared. Fly. Awuyongingenela stage.
On my behalf.
Hamba ungingenele.
On your behalf.
Yeah. No. Awuhamba ungingenela phela. Ngiyababona ukuthi bekuwena.
Yazi ngoba siyafana. Ubonile lapho.
Vele futhi i-women's month ungangena nomngangalo.
Khona mara ngade mpopola azobonisa yena. Go girl, go girl, go girl. Go This is the time. This is into bizamgrashiyo kwathula umoya.
Let's go on the three, all the way, number 7. Welcome on stage, Tejiro!
It feels so good to be done.
Hlala amadiva uthola umuntu omnyama uthola nogqoka ama-relationships abawafani idrama yalo ayifani nalo
Thotha abantu bethu.
yabo nje unopotape ubiza upotape uthenje u-avocado ubiza futhi ngokata bayawutshala ugquma uthenje
I love coming to Empangeni because I always find my long lost family members. Izihlobo ezidukelene ezitholakala Empangeni. To say hello to everyone at home, tell them not to write to Khumbule Ekhaya. I have found you. Khumbule Ekhaya must chillax. Thank you, Sefesa, for organizing a good show.
Thank you.
This was our perfect comedy show. Hi guys, please don't forget to subscribe and press the notification button so that you do not miss another video.